With more and more PCs coming onto the market every day, the new MacBook Airs, and even wireless USB adapters for upgrading older computers, all supporting the new wireless 802.11 AC standard for improved wireless signal strength and transfer speeds, it only makes sense to get a new wireless router that also supports wireless AC. And a great option is D-Link's wireless AC1000 dual-band cloud router, or the DIR-820L. It's also backwards compatible with older wireless signals like wireless N, and even sports D-Link's cloud services for remote and mobile access. Come inside and I'll show you how easy it is to set up.
But before we dive into that, here's what you get in the box. First, you have the product documentation, as well as a Wi-Fi configuration card because the router comes pre-configured for security. You also have the DIR-820L wireless AC1000 dual-band cloud router, and on the back, a USB share port, WPS button, 4 LAN ports, an internet port, and the power button and connector. Plus, on top is a sticker, also with the Wi-Fi information on it. And lastly, you also have an Ethernet cable and the power adapter. Now it's time to connect the router to your broadband modem. Start by plugging the power in to a nearby outlet and connecting it to the back of the router. Then, take the Ethernet cable and connect one end to the yellow internet port on the back and the other end to the LAN port on the modem. Now give it a moment to power up, and that's it. Your new wireless AC router is ready to go. Just grab the Wi-Fi configuration card and head over to your computer. All you have to do now is connect to the Wi-Fi name or SSID name listed on the card and enter the security key also provided on the card, just as you normally would to connect to any other Wi-Fi network. Now if you want to get more out of your router, open up a web browser and type in 192.168.0.1 in the address bar, blank is the default, and launch the connection setup wizard. Follow the prompts and you can give your router a password, set the time zone, change the internet connection type, and we also suggest that you leave the MAC address and hostname as it is. Then, give it a moment to save the settings, and you're all set. Now, if you want to use a mydlink cloud services, click mydlink settings from the left-hand navigation, and then click register mydlink service. This will allow you to remotely monitor and manage your network through the mydlink.com website or through the mydlink mobile app for iOS and Android devices. If you don't already have a mydlink account, you can quickly set one up using just your name, email address, and a password. Otherwise, enter your mydlink email address and password to register your new router with the mydlink service, and you're done.
802.11 AC is the latest evolution of Wi-Fi, and it's particularly good at HD video streaming and gaming, but you'll see improvements across the board, from better range to ridiculously fast wireless connections and even improved reliability. All the latest tech supports it, but the only way to take advantage of it is to get a router that does too. And D-Link's wireless AC1000 dual-band cloud router is a great way to do just that. Thanks for watching.